amigos, Hannah here from Speak Better Spanish. I am actually recording this in San Salvador, the capital of El Salvador. So today we're going to talk about asking what date is it? This is a great way to practice your numbers. Besides counting and talking about how much something costs, which is another video on that, and talking about telling time, so another video on that, asking what date it is. So let's imagine you're filling out a form at the airport and you don't remember, oh, what's today's date? So the way that we would ask that is, ¿Qué fecha es? Or, ¿Qué fecha es hoy? We can also say, ¿Cuál fecha es? Or, ¿Cuál fecha es hoy? Any of those would work. The key being fecha. That clues us in that we're looking for a number. So I'm not asking you what day of the week is it, not asking you what month is it. I'm specifically asking what date is it? Now, we could respond by saying it's the first, the second, the third, and so on. But most of the time in Spanish, we'll just respond with our normal counting numbers. So, hoy es el 4, for example. So today is the 4th. Now, keep in mind, 4 is not the same as 4th, but we can use it in that way in this context when we're asking or responding to what date is it. We could also say, so the only one where we really wouldn't say it that way would be the first day of the month. ¿Qué fecha es? Es el primero. It's the first. Now that one, you could say es el uno, but it wouldn't be too common to do that. So most of the time we're going to say es el 14, es el 20, es el 30. So those same counting numbers, but with the format ¿Qué fecha es el something. We could also say hoy es el, today is the, es el something, hoy. Those are some different variations, but it's going to be something just like that. So I hope that helps you to know how to ask what date is it and how to respond to that. Drop me a note in the comments below the day that you're watching this video. ¿Qué fecha es? Adiós!